Hi everybody, this is Chris for part 4 of Breakthrough Chinese Pronunciation from fluentinmandarin.com, the video series that breaks down Mandarin sounds and tones and helps you to perfect your Chinese pronunciation. In this video, we're going to be looking at the sound en in pinyin. Before we start, let's just have a quick reminder of the color scheme that I'm using to represent the 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese. If you saw this sound en in English, for example ben, you would expect it to be pronounced Ben, like the name Ben, but actually it's pronounced bun, bun, not Ben, but bun. It's almost like a shorter e vowel sound. So let's have a look at some examples of this.
笨
In the 4th tone means stupid.
一本书
This means a book.
喷泉
This word is said with a first tone and a second tone. It means fountain. So again, this pen is not pronounced pen, but pen. So hopefully you can hear the difference between those two.
粉色
This is pronounced with a 3rd tone and a 4th tone, and it means pink.
分数
Means score.
嫩
This character is in the 4th tone and it means tender or delicate. For example, talking about a piece of meat.
门
In the 2nd tone means door or gate. And
我们
is a very common word in Chinese. It means we. You will hear from time to time that some people pronounce this as a 3rd tone, then a 2nd tone. However, strictly speaking, if you look this word up, it should be a 3rd tone, and the 2nd tone is neutral or unstressed. Try saying it again.
我们很
Again, this is a very common word in Chinese. It means very. And as I said before, you can hear that this H is more of a throaty H. So it's pronounced.
很
Try saying it again.
很跟我一起
This means with me. In fact, the second half of this word means together, but these 2 words are often used at the same time.
跟我一起真的
This is the first time we've seen this ZH or ZH sound in Chinese. We're going to be talking a lot about that in the future, but for now, try to pronounce this syllable as it is. 真, and the 2nd syllable is unstressed. 真的. Okay, don't stop watching just yet because I've got something really special for you. The tones are a really important part of Chinese, so I've put together a 5-minute Chinese tones trainer, including an ebook and MP3 audio that will help you practice recognizing the tones in Mandarin, in words and in sentences, and you can get it absolutely free. Just click on the link on the screen right now or in the description below this video to sign up, then confirm your email address and I'll send the trainer out to you. Thanks for checking out this video and see you very soon.